Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all did good yesterday. I did pretty well, but I traded a little late. Let's see. Right now for me, the most important chart is a weekly chart. Because like in a weekly chart, the picture is very clear. If you see, we have these tails here, and yesterday we bounced from this area. This price I have 187ish. I have this price from previous week's low. If you see. So the other thing is, this is candle 1, this is candle 2, this is candle 3, this is candle 4. So that means this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So with the week 1 and week 4, it's a monthly candle with a big tail on it. That means once we reached our October target, August target, we bounced back from there. Right now over here, it's very important to look at these two target prices. Bulls have seen this as an opportunity, these tails as an opportunity, and they are trying to get a bull breakout here, like above this trend line. We will be going for the next target, which will be about 201, 200ish. So for instance, let's forget that this is a weekly chart. Let's say it's a 5-minute chart. If it is a 5-minute chart, this is a great entry. Like this is first entry, this is a pullback, and we are looking for the second entry. Let's go to the 5-minute chart here. I mean, this sell-off right now, we are something, like somewhat making like this, or somewhat making like this. That like we saw the sell-off, and now we are looking at the tails. These tails, if you're buying at 5-minute, anticipating, like the probability is that we're going more higher. We're buying every pullback to see next leg up. Similar way as a weekly chart, we have 2 days left. So within 2 days, if bulls were able to take this high here, the high of it's 194ish. If bulls were able to trade well above 195, the next target for me is 200ish. And I'm hoping that we can get this target very soon. As of now, very bullish. As of now, I'm expecting this to give us two bull trend days, today and tomorrow, and we can wash this out. We can wash all the bearish out. We can wash all the bearish out of this candle. Very bullish as of now with these tails. But most important price target is 187, which is working as a support. We should not violate that, because over here buyers, and over here buyers. So that means there are a lot of bulls who have accumulated this. The violation of this target might give a panic mode to the bulls, and bulls will sell and bears will short. We can go way down. We can go, our next target will be 173ish then. So we are at the moment, I'm not thinking we are going down. I mean, this target price is not even in the picture, but right now, like I'm hoping to break out from here and go for the next target. Bullish. Let's go to the monthly. I mean, monthly we have this tail, and this is kind of a pullback, and from this pullback, like bulls are buying, bulls are looking for next leg up. We can see somewhere around 200, 201ish, over here. I'm expecting this to see sometime next week or something like that. Let's go to the daily. In daily chart, if you see, this is beautiful. Do we call this as indecision day? Few people can call this as an indecision day, but let's see this candle here and this candle here. It's very, very similar. We were trying to break out, and breakout failed, and we saw this kind of a price action. Similar way over here, bears tried to do the breakout, they failed, and now we saw this kind of a price action. For me, I think we can see a trend day today. Like we this is a trend line I have drawn. I think we can try to poke through this and see if we fail here. If we fail here, we can again go back to 187ish or a little lower. If bulls able to take over this trend line, then the next target would be about 200ish. Let's look at that 4 hour. I mean, this 4 hour, these two tails, like this is bulls are trying for the breakout. This is just kind of a pullback. From this pullback, pre-market, we did very good. Like pre-market, we were in green, and global markets have recovered a little bit. So I think, like market is trying to stable here, like, and we can see somewhat next leg up very soon. And I'm bullish here. Like I can see, like. As long as we stay above 190, this guy here for today, for day trading, as long as we stay above 190ish, like I'm bullish for the next leg up. Let's go to the 5 minute. You see, like right now we are looking at some kind of a pullback here, but I think we can bounce from we can bounce anytime from here. But this is the gap yesterday we saw. This is a gap bar. So we should not, if bear is able to close the gap, and like that will uh, 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 that will not be a good sign for bulls. But right now, as of now, I think, like we are going for the next leg up. But again, this market is going very crazy. This was a surprise for me. I did not trade this. I traded the long side of this price action over here. As of now, I do not see any bearish. I'm still bullish as of, like the weekly chart. So for 2 days in a week, I think we can end up somewhere in green for this candle. If we are in green, if we are ending up in high of the candle, I'm going for next leg up. Good luck, everybody.